Alright folks, I welcome all of you again to the Crypto YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make a review about a crypto-based futures prop firm. So by now if you know about prop firms or funded challenges, there are so many funded challenges or prop firms in the prop firm industry for forex trading, not for cryptocurrencies. So this is one of a new trend actually. There are very few companies that offers authentic cryptocurrency futures. I'll tell you why this is called authentic cryptocurrency futures in HyroTrader. So even in CFD trading, like you're trading on MT4, MT5 platforms, that forex trading, even you can trade some cryptocurrencies like bitcoins and Ethereum, so on like that. Very limited cryptocurrencies you will be able to trade, but those are not real cryptocurrency trading. CFD trading means just another one, right? But futures trading on cryptocurrency basis just another trading category. So HyroTrader gives the authentic cryptocurrency futures trading experience in prop firm space rather than trading just you know uh, like a retail forex trading, like choosing lot sizes and stuff like that. HyroTrader just basically you trading exact in a future cryptocurrency futures trading environment, trading platform, because the reason is actually HyroTrader partnered with ByBit. Actually, this is the ByBit, so they are partnered with ByBit. What happened just simply once you register on by a HyroTrader platform, you just directly link your ByBit your account into HyroTrader, so you're good to go. So this is where you trade. This is what uh, this is the account. This is a trading fact that you're gonna trading over here. So you just basically you'll be able to see actually you can choose your leverages and margin and stuff like that. So just simply you're just trading like cryptocurrency exchange uh futures platforms. That's all. And also they have a new updated uh, trading platform which is Cleo, an upcoming trading platform with OKX, one of the best another cryptocurrency exchange, and currently they are partnered with ByBit, so you'll be able to trade with ByBit right now. And that's you don't have to deposit, actually you don't have to invest your money. ByBit offers demo trading, so you just basically open a demo account and link that demo account into HyroTrader trading platform once you log into your dashboard on HyroTrader. So that's basically happened. Let's just check out their prices and what kind of accounts they're offering. Actually, they have two types of challenges. One is step and two is step. I think according to point of my view, actually, that's my personal preference. Two step challenge is pretty affordable and as well too practical, actually, according to my view. I don't know about you. And also you can get from 5,000 USDT to 200,000 USDT account for actually pretty affordable price. Pretty, I mean, by comparing some other cryptocurrency exchanges or cryptocurrency or prop firms like that, this is actually pretty decent prices. So you can get 89 USDT for like 5,000 USDT account. That's pretty okay, right? And these are the trading rules that if you are trading in two-step accounts. So trading period is already right now, you already know that. And but you have minimum trading 10 minimum trading days for step 1 account and 10 minimum trading days for step 5 accounts. And also you have to be aware that about what about the minimum trading days. That means at least we have to trade 10 trading days during trading the cycle, and every trade that we're going to make and execute should be closed with a 1% profit gain or loss gain. For example, uh, your profit card should be more than 1%, not that's not about account balance. All right, that's not about 1% of from your account. Not like that. uh, you just basically, if you're taking like if you're for one single trade, if you're taking like, let's say, $100 of margin for your trade, so $100 of margin with 1% mean your trade should be $1, at least $1. So that's basically happen. That's the basic rule. But however, your profit card should be plus 1% or minus 1% in order to count as one trading day for an executed trade. So that's what happening. And yeah, so you have to put exactly stop losses and take profits. Stop losses is must, just keep in mind. And daily drawdown 5%, the maximum drawdown is 10%. That's the standard way most of prop firms are offering or requesting. Profit target 10% and 5% following step 1 and step 2. So that's actually pretty fair. And by comparing with this, competitors, this could pretty good prop firm in the industry. So just try it out, guys. And I'm gonna make a my trading journal video with HyroTrader in my upcoming videos. Let's see how it's going, guys. See you guys again with another video. Just do subscribe to the channel if you find these videos are useful. See you again with another video.